Then what are the tools, deep learning tools that are commonly used in cyber security? So I have explained already TensorFlow. So it is used to classify the malware detection, intrusion detection, or network traffic analysis. We are using TensorFlow library, TensorFlow framework. Then Keras. Keras is a high-level neural network. It is a API, open source library. So it is used to handle all deep learning models, especially CNN, RNN, LSTM, GAN. We can use in Keras library. Then PyTorch. PyTorch is one of the open source and deep learning tool. It includes various classification, clustering, association, rule mining, outlier detection algorithms are presented in this PyTorch, and we are commonly used in cyber security data analysis. Theano. Theano is also one of the Python library, and it is used to evaluate mathematical expressions involving multidimensional arrays efficiently. That's why we are using Theano library. So Caffe. Caffe is a deep learning framework that is optimized for image classification task especially. So we need to install this library. Pip install Caffe, pip install scikit-learn, pip install MaxNet, pip install Torch. Likewise, we are installing all libraries in the Python. Then we can execute various cyber security applications. Then sklearn I have explained. It can solve all machine learning and deep learning classification, clustering, association rule mining, and outlier detection. Then MaxNet. MaxNet is one of the deep learning framework that is optimized for distributed training, especially distributed applications we are solving under MaxNet. Then Torch. Torch is one of the scientific computing framework which is freely available in the internet. It's supporting for machine learning algorithms, and especially that puts GPU, graphical processing unit, as a first. We are using linear regression, non-linear regression, logistic regression, various support vector machine, random forest, neural networks, Bayesian classification. We can use under Torch, PyTorch, etc. So with this one, the theory part is completed. Any doubts? Now, please open your laptops. If you are having laptops, you can install Python software. I'm going to demonstrate how to use Python. Very simple. And Python is an object-oriented programming language, and Python is a scripting programming language. And Python can be used in two ways, especially IDLE and scripting way. IDLE is nothing but integration development learning environment, and scripting way. So if you are having laptops, please open your laptops. I'm going to demonstrate a practical session now. So now see a simple definition about cyber security. I have explained already. Cyber security is a way of protecting the network, computers, and other programs, server, data center from the attacks of cyber criminals. That is called cyber security. So it consists of technologies, processes, and controls designed to protect our system, servers, data center, networks, programs, devices, and data from cyber attacks. We are using various machine learning and deep learning applications. See, a small example, top 10 most common passwords we are using. See, Indians are very lazy keeping their passwords like a password. See, they are keeping password as a password. Within 1 second, cyber criminals, cyber attackers, they are accessing within 1 second. See, how many users kept their password? See, 17,14,646 users, they kept their password is password. See, Indians are very lazy to keep their password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many users are kept? 12,89,266 participants are use their password 12345. Is it a technical graduates are giving this simple password? That's why cyber activities, cyber criminal activities are growing more because of you are keeping small password. See, within 1 second they are cracking your password. 123456. This is a password. India 123. I love you. ABC 123. ABC 123. QWERTY 1234567889. These are the passwords you are giving. Being a technical student, being a technical member, faculty members, my dear participants, don't give any time such a simple passwords. Okay, if you give this sort of password, see, in the year 2023, top 10 most common passwords in the worldwide. So that's why you need to use minimum 8 characters with the uppercase letter, small case letter, and special function. Okay, and minimum 8 characters. 8 characters. Then only nobody can crack your password.